AG Neovo 65-inch Smartboard Review. Why Google EDLA certification transforms hybrid meetings. The AG Neovo 65-inch 4K smartboard delivers a smarter, more reliable way to collaborate in classrooms and hybrid offices without the constant technical frustrations that slow everything down. Think of it as a large Android tablet mounted on your wall, powered by Android 13, designed for real work. It supports 40-point multi-touch, allowing multiple users to write simultaneously, and connects wirelessly to devices in seconds. Unlike typical smartboards that freeze during critical presentations or fail to support essential apps, this system provides direct access to the Google Play Store. Install Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, or any tools your team relies on, and everything runs smoothly. With consistent security updates, it stays stable for years, not just months. From brainstorming sessions to live document editing, it eliminates the need to switch between devices. No more interruptions. No more, "Sorry, my laptop won't connect."
The biggest advantages become clear immediately in your daily workflow. Wireless casting works seamlessly with AirPlay, Miracast, and Google Cast, allowing team members to share screens from laptops, phones, or tablets within seconds. No adapters, no hassle. The built-in Meetboard app intelligently converts handwritten notes into typed text and transforms rough sketches into clean, structured visuals, turning brainstorming into actionable results. Here's where it becomes even more powerful. The integrated Office suite enables you to open and edit Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files directly on the touchscreen. Make changes in real time, save instantly to Google Drive or OneDrive, and ensure everyone leaves with the latest version. No follow-ups required. The 4K display keeps text sharp and readable from anywhere in the room, while 40-point touch allows up to 5 people to interact simultaneously without limitations. Meetings move faster because the technology simply gets out of the way.
Picture a typical hybrid meeting before this system. A laptop fails to connect via HDMI, minutes are lost troubleshooting cables, remote participants struggle to see unclear whiteboard notes, momentum disappears before the meeting even begins. Now imagine the same scenario with the AG Neovo 65-inch smartboard. You walk in, tap once, and cast your screen wirelessly in seconds. You start sketching ideas, and the board instantly refines them into clean visuals. A remote colleague shares their screen effortlessly. You open a budget spreadsheet, edit it live, and save it directly to the cloud. I'll be honest, the first time 6 people used the 40-point touch simultaneously, there was doubt about accuracy. It performed flawlessly. That moment when technology disappears and collaboration flows naturally, that's the real difference. After careful evaluation, one conclusion stands out. Don't choose just any interactive whiteboard. Choose one with Google EDLA certification. It prevents the common frustrations of unstable apps, missing updates, and compatibility issues that waste valuable time. The difference goes far beyond specifications. Open Android systems often rely on unofficial installations that fail unpredictably. EDLA certification guarantees official Google Play access, consistent compatibility, and regular security updates, delivering the long-term reliability businesses need for 5 years or more. Real-world results confirm this. Dallmeyer Electronic in Germany replaced their presentation systems with AG Neovo boards because app installations worked reliably, digital note-taking integrated seamlessly, and the 4K AI camera enhanced remote demonstration significantly. IT managers report that Zoom and Teams installations worked immediately, without troubleshooting, and the boards remained stable after months of daily use. A 3-year warranty secures your investment. Wi-Fi 6 ensures future-ready connectivity,
Android 13 with 128 gigabytes of storage delivers smooth professional performance. Which benefit matters most to you? Comment 1 for wireless reliability, 2 for app stability, or 3 for long-term support.
The transformation is simple. Meetings become productive because technology is no longer the obstacle. Thousands of classrooms and hybrid offices already rely on AG Neo boards to collaborate without cable clutter or app limitations. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your environment. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Explore the full specifications for yourself. You deserve meetings where ideas flow freely, without interruptions every 5 minutes asking, "Can everyone see my screen?"
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.